Hey guys, I am Nivi and welcome back to another video. And in today's video I'm not going to talk about any clothing items or any Misho haul. Today I'm talking about a serum. Okay, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know that I have a pimple prone skin. I can use anything. Anything I used, I just have pimples on my skin. I use serums. I have used many kind of moisturizers, face washes, but I have no such good results of using them. But now I want to share with you something very interesting that recently I have found something. Recently I have seen there are so many ads of L'Oreal hyaluronic acid and such kind of serum they have launched. So I was also curious to use this product, okay, but I have thought, why not I will use some organic products rather than L'Oreal one. I will use that one also. I want to, but I have ordered wow का hyaluronic acid serum जो मैंने ऑर्डर किया because I wanted to use some organic products or wow के products. I love them. So I have ordered the face serum. The serum looks like this. This is the serum from wow range. This is hyaluronic acid face serum. See, it is written here properly. This is acid serum. So after getting this one, I have started using since like it's 2 weeks maybe. I'm using this one and I have got really good results. My skin has repaired quite a bit, but not totally changed. Still I'm having dark spots here, but these are the reduced one, really. These are now reducing. This way also, here also I had little dark spots, but these are now reduced to a percent, and these are also now reducing because I used to have so many pimples all the time, and these are the spots of the pimples. And when I have started using this one, these are reducing gradually, and I'm really very happy. I don't know it will work. I will use it for more. I have taken this 1 bottle challenge, just like you have known. If you have seen my Instagram IGTV videos, there also I have taken another challenge of Mamaearth serum 1 bottle challenge. वो भी अच्छा था. That was also very nice. I was happy. But this time I am using this one. So packaging I have not said anything about. So packaging looks like this. Normal packaging. इसमें extra कुछ भी नहीं है. Then we come to the product. Open, then you will have the product in a bottle. So it's kind of a glass bottle, I think, quite heavy. Then you will have a pump here. Here you will have a pump and a cover on the pump. Okay, you can cover it. So the consistency of this serum is like normal other serums, just like Good Vibes one. It's water like color. There is no color of this serum, and the consistency is like normal serums जैसे होते हैं, ये भी ऐसा ही है. And smell इसका इतना भी कोई flower जैसा chocolate like vanilla, not that kind of fragrance it has. It has some क्या बताओ, फ्रेग्रेंस मतलब इतना भी कुछ खास बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगने वाला ऐसा कुछ फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं है. But the fragrance it has, it will remind you that it is a natural product. They have not added any fragrance in it. That is good. Okay, so this is the bottle. You can see इसमें भी लिखा हुआ acid serum. Then the QR code you can see. You can scan and see their website if you don't believe. Here आपको यहाँ पे 30 ml का प्रोडक्ट मिल जाएगा. Then use it. If you want to buy, I will recommend this one. Okay, if you ask me, I have got till now I'm using this one for last 2 weeks, and I am having such good results that my dark spots are reducing gradually. if you ask me, I will recommend this one to all of you who are having dark spots and pimples on skin. You can use it. You can give a try because it's a organic brand. So no parabens, no silicones and mineral oils, and made in India. Suits all skin types, all written here, okay? It is written here, no paraben, no silicone, no oils, and suitable for all skin types. So if you want, you can buy this one, you can use it, and I hope you will get good results. But before using it on your skin, on your face, do have a patch test of it, because we don't know, all skin types are different from each other. Okay, so this was the review, the small review of this serum. I love this one. If you want to buy, you can try. It's a good one as it is written on the body of the cover. And I am also saying, personally, I have used this one and I have got good results. So you can try. That's all I wanted to say in this video. And subscribe to my channel for more videos, this kind of beauty related videos and fashion related videos. Also, I do shop from various kind of sites and I share the products with all of you so that you can see and you can buy the products as well. Okay, till then, wait for the next video and subscribe to my channel. Tata.